Hey, this is Joy with nextuprecords.com coming to you with another video. Today's gonna be a little quick tip, something I found that was interesting that I thought I would share with everybody. You know, everybody get the benefits. It's called Root Note. It's a distribution platform, but what separates from everybody else is it's like 100% free, which is crazy to me. I was looking at it earlier. So they do every major outlet: Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, SoundCloud, YouTube, monetization, stuff like that. I'm pretty sure Tidal's on here too. Yep, Tidal's on here. Napster, Shazam, I don't know who used that no more. TBH. But maybe for someone might discover your song, something like that, that's on there too, which is crazy. And then you keep 85% of the royalties. So that's what makes it free. So they keep the other 15%. But there is an option to keep 100% of the royalties. Right here, keep 100% of the royalties in exchange for like $10, $20, $30, and then $10 annually on top of that. So instead of paying like $12 a month for something else, you could pay like $10, $20 and have unlimited singles, or you could have just free distribution completely, which is crazy because I don't know who else does this. So another thing I was looking at on here is, so I just made an account myself, like just today. Like I saw that song, I was like, I gotta make an account. So I made an account. I looked through the tools and content ID. So maybe upload a beat tape on here, right? And I'm thinking, so upload my beats, make a beat tape, something on Spotify. Nobody has to really listen to it because the content ID will go ahead and find out people who take my music without my permission. You know what I mean? And then putting the hammer on them, me getting all the money from that transaction. You know what I mean? Which is crazy. Off top, you put your YouTube account in, so it doesn't automatically take your stuff off, obviously, but maybe somebody else's that's not really using your music with your permission and making money off of it, you can benefit now. And then they got some music database on here, so maybe you're doing a vlog or something like that. I saw earlier, so like maybe like the elevator music that like tight like jazz sounds or whatever you want to put in there, instead of having just like a regular 808 hard beat, you know what I mean? And then they offer SoundCloud management, monetization, even those little banners you see on SoundCloud sometimes, I heard they can do that too. And then revenue sharing and something called RN Direct. This is the most interesting thing to me. RN Direct is like your own music store without anybody cutting in on the profit. So like if you sell something on iTunes, you usually get like a payment. So it splits like 60% yours, 30% Apple's. So Apple get 33 cents off of every 99-cent record, basically. And that's less money in your pocket. But with RN Direct, you can sell your music directly to somebody, right? And so you keep most of the profit to yourself. And then, like I said, 85% split. The Root Note, if you do it like that for free, but if you pay the $10 or whatever one time and then $10 a year, so $20 total, you could do it as many times as you want to. And that's a good way to make money. So have people directly go to your site instead of having people go to iTunes, making Apple richer. They already rich, bro. Make your pockets bigger too. So I just thought this was interesting. Thought I'd share with the community. You know, put people on game, put people on sauce. That's all. What's what we all about. Go ahead, log in to Next Up Records, bro. Nextuprecords.co. Shop.nextrecords.co or www.nextuprecords.co. All right, peace, man. Just one thought I will show this little tidbit of information. Quick tip. Maybe we'll start a trend. Quick tip Mondays. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but peace. See you later.